Ka Rashtriya Bal Swachh Karyakram RBSK Meghalaya hakakat artri uni ubnai de Lehkmen go ye dap chi paus nem I job yongka he lailuti nei benta u chakri ye chait khiah ki khynnah wa hapoh khat pras nem Wyrta hakayalang wadapan man haji HM guest house juai. De emlang hagani kayalang UF Pasa Assistant Commissioner Juai Kamukong San, Nete ke Dr. Pishla District Medical and Health Officer Juai, ke Dr. Helen Yuria DMCHO, ke Dr. AE Paswen Pediatrician, ke Dr. J Lakyang MODCEIC, ki Dr. Wakidukot ke Kenhun Mobile Health Team, kamjuk ki bro ke District Early Intervention Center yong ki Litli ki District ke Jela Wakenthum, ke West Jainte Hills, East Jainte Hills Wakribhoi District. Hagani ka singi datim midway boram le yaki bro yong ka chanat icha khiah ki wada krek kaluj mensen na do ki wakrek haki mobile health team waki wiwan ki kanhun na rilom Jainte Hills Waribhoi district wada chim khiah ki upen yo ki lat sumar hei porwa biang yaki khynnah wa hapoh khat pras nem Wyrta. UF Pasa Assistant Commissioner hawa kalam Kamukong San de yero yakani ka kanhun hajrong kikam wada le ko wai wat haperdi boni ikho nei por chei por de le chitom ki wo chem ye kujut chitom ki khynnah wai wo pen biang le ye em kam yong ki nei benta I bhai miat yong ki ka Dr. I Katpho State Nodal Officer RBSK dapan sengau ko isarong ya kaluti wadalai ka RBSK haki chpau snem I wada sedang naduk snem arajar khatle de wayo jengai ka sarkar bay pensengau ko le ihun hajrong I job kani ka RBSK ne benta open yo akilat sumar ya ki khynnah de yero ko le naduk ki mobile health teams yong ki doktor ki nurse ki pharmacist kam ju ki Aisha Dewa yuluti walang ba ichim khiah ka RBSK daw ye le open tikna icha khiah nei benta ka menrit yong ki khynnah hakalain sodong ka jela. Ka Dr. Katpho khana haro ko wakani ka RBSK pangklan chuchu ko yakilat sumar devli thu benia ye chait khiah ki khynnah haki skur haki akan vedi center wa haki wi ki thau sumar wa pher. Niliang ka Dr. HL Suting DEIC Manager Juai ka wapalai ya yalang dapan sengau haro ko hajrong MKam open klan chuchu kilat yaram nei benta ki khynnah wa chakta na do ipor wakha wai wo yi ki uhe ukmai he bor yong ido ipran ibor perkhat kamwaman ki wi ki pra khynnah da pengkut ya yalang dei kentin ikhublei na u Johnson Jenong Bed Consultant RBSK NHM.
Now we have been instrumental in screening many children and at the same time providing the necessary medical interventions, ranging from free treatment to life-changing surgeries. So this has made a difference. It has improved the health and well-being of the children. And at the same time, what we're seeing is that it has brought down the infant and the child mortality rates. Now this is in aligning with the country's child health initiatives, with the Global Sustainable Development Goals. What we are seeing is that it is not only identification, but what we are seeing is that there's also growing acceptance in terms of these surgical interventions and management. And this remarkable improvement is largely because of the impact of the program, and it is all thanks to you, the MHTs. That is why we are able to do this. So with the establishment of 3 district early intervention centers, and we do hope to see more centers in the future. The RBSK has improved the access to specialized care for children in need. And when we go for monitoring, what we have noticed, what we have observed is that referring a child to the DIC comes with a lot of challenges. I do agree with you all. Why? Because we are referring these children from far-flung villages. That is one of the biggest challenges. But we are working on this. We are trying to improve this process. In fact, we've just started. We're taking the DIC teams to these pre-identified villages. The team from the DIC, comprising of the pediatrician, the early interventionist, the optometrist, the physiotherapist, and all. So we are taking them to these pre-identified villages so that these children with special needs will not be deprived of care. At the same time, we are also strengthening our referral services by establishing connections. We are establishing better connections and linkages with these tertiary care facilities.
The 4Ds are very important, and also that the mobile unit that you have, the mobile units actually I felt like it's very important, and Even though that the road connectivity is not so smooth, you will find, especially I think in parts of East India Hills, if you take from Sutanga stretch onwards and also down to Ratachera, I can understand because maybe but all of you in the field, you may not be available with the government facilities like cars and this and that. You'll have to manage on your own. So I understand it's all the seeing from that perspective. We can understand that the effort that you put because you may have to use your own vehicle probably. I don't know, maybe or maybe not, but it's kind of challenging from my point because there have been so much have been discussed and also been shared by the state nodal officer. From our end, we as a district administration, we call upon you guys. We know that you're doing very hard in your job and in the field, and we call upon you guys to upkeep or maybe to do better than what you have done.